Do you also feel that you're always running out of time to complete the task? This video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about time management strategies. This topic is a concern for a lot of people. This one is the core skill on which everything else depends. So I remember this teacher in our media school who asked us that if your time had a price tag, would you still waste your time on people you don't like? Would you still waste your time on the problems that can't even be solved? Think about it. Basically, there are two categories of people. One who always have time and have no clue what to do with their time. They are the ones who don't love their work. The second one are those who love their work so much but they don't have enough time. These are the ones who don't know how to manage their time effectively. Some people achieve more than others because of their effective time management skills. Well, I also juggle with time management, but today I'm going to share some tips that I've personally applied and are very helpful for me, and I'm sure it's going to help you a lot. Let's get started. So these are my core working hours because productivity depends on person to person and I cannot work for more than 4 hours in a day. So I call them my golden working hours where I finish the most important work first. Minimize the distractions around you. These distractions could be anything like your phone or the noises coming from outside. So I was talking to you about my core working hours. This is my golden time where I don't like any kind of distraction. I've got rid of my phone addiction since a very long time now. I don't like to use my phone other than for work. So I mean, if you can get rid of this phone addiction, trust me, your life would be so better. Create a proper plan and deadline for your work. Hold yourself accountable for the work you do. I think the most satisfying part of the day is when before sleeping I recall my day, like how did I spend my day and what I could have done better to make it more productive. So I keep telling this to myself all the time that there is no such thing called free time. You know, this stops me from doing the overthinking. Whenever I'm sitting idle, I do a lot of overthinking and that consumes a lot of mental energy. Even if you're not doing anything physically, you are consuming your mind a lot and that makes you super tired. So avoid doing that. Your why should be very, very clear. Ask yourself why you're doing this. If you're watching series after series and you're neglecting your work, it's quite understood that you value this than that. Start waking up early in the morning. This is one habit every successful person follows. Waking up early has a lot of benefits. See, your mind cannot function properly in a cluttered space. Cluttered space is equal to cluttered mind. Workplace should be very clean and you should always sit in a clean environment. Set your priorities very clear. Make sure what you want and learn to say no. You should know what is important to you and what matters the most to you. Saying no to your friends and to your people is very hard, I know, but trust me, it makes your life very sorted. Stick to your working hours every day and create a work ritual for yourself. Practice self-control. Self-control is very important, be it any aspect of your life. Also, avoid doing multitasking if you want to avoid panic and anxiety. Multitasking can also reduce the quality of your work. Learn to manage your mind well. Like the way you don't allow anyone in your office space, mind should also be like a protected space where you don't allow anyone. Also, if a lot of thoughts keep popping in your head, tell your mind, wait, there is a time for this, but not now. In your mind to take orders from you. So these were some quick tips to manage your time. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.